it's a time to answer. So see this one, first question. What do mice like to eat? What do mice like to eat? Write the names in the box. In the poem we got what it eats, na? So write the names in the box. So here they have given the box. In that we should write it. What it likes to eat? Yes, first one it likes to eat orange peel, right? It likes to eat orange peel and strings, orange peel, strings. So orange peel, strings it eats, and next colored papers, slippers, fish heads, and what it eats more? Books. Slippers, fish heads, and books. So say that in the poem we got it. Orange peel, strings, colored papers, slippers, fish heads, and books. Right? Yes. And next see the remaining questions. Yes, see children. So the remaining questions we have here. So 3 only are there. So once see this one. Do you eat slippers? Why do mice eat slippers? Do you eat slippers? No, right? Yes. Right the answer? No. Why do mice eat slippers? Why do they eat? Yes. For the mice, slippers are tasty. For the mice, slippers are tasty. So they eat them. Right? No, I don't eat slippers. For the mice, slippers are tasty. So they eat them. Right? And see the next question. What happened to the present the speaker's mummy gave him? The speaker's mummy, she gave a beautiful present gift. But what happened to that? That is in mice tummy, right? Yes. So what happened to that? The mice ate the present. Present means here gift. The mice ate the present. It has eaten that. Right? And see the next one. Find a word to rhyme with each of these. Rhyme. We have done in the last class. You know that. What is that rhyme? Rhyme means end of each word gives same sound. Right? So the similar kind of words we should find it here. So what is this first one? Thing. What is the similar for this? Thing. We can write string. Thing, string, rhyming word, right? And mummy, tummy. And right, yes, it eats slippers night time, na? So we can take night. So thing, string, mummy, tummy, right, night, right? So this we can write the answers. Once again I am repeating the answers. See this. Do you eat slippers? Why do mice eat slippers? No, I don't eat slippers. For the mice, slippers are tasty. So they eat them. And see the next question. What happened to the present the speaker's mummy gave him? The mice ate the present. So find a word to rhyme with each of these. So they gave 3 words. Write the rhyming words for them. What is that? Thing, string. Mummy, tummy, right, night, right? So let's see the next topic after that. Yes, see children. So it is time to spell well. So how to speak? That's the words, missing letters they have given. So we should write the correct spelling of it. See that, complete the words they have given. What are these words? Yes, these words also from the poem. So what is this first one? Yes, dash R dash dash G. What can we write? Mice eat strings. So string. 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 And next one, it is colored paper. So this is P dash dash ER. What can we write? Paper. P-A-P-E-R. Paper. Right? And see the next one, C dash L dash U dash. What can we write? Very good. C-O-L-O-U-R. Color. C-O-L-O-U-R. Color. Right? And B dash dash K. What do you have in your hands? Book. So then spelling B-O-K. Book. Right, Nana? Next one. S dash I dash P-E-R dash. What are these? What do we wear? Slippers. Slippers. And P dash dash S dash N-T. What can we write here? Very good. Present. P-R-E-S-E-N-T. Present. And next one, this is M dash Y. Who is he? Who is she? Mummy. M-U-M-M-Y. Mummy. And last one, what it is? Anything it is, right? A dash Y dash H dash N-G. Anything. A-N-Y-T-H-I-N-G. A-N-Y-T-H-I-N-G. Anything. So once again I am repeating all the words. Pronounce it. String, paper, color, book, slippers, present, mummy, anything. Right? So these words we have in the missing letters. See children, it's a time to rhyme. It's a time to rhyme. So see this sentence and read it very fast. How funny it is. Many mumbling mice are making merry music in the moonlight. See, can you understand? Many mumbling mice are making merry music in the moonlight. Many mumbling mice. Mumble, make it sounds with them. So those mice are making merry music. Very entertaining music in the moonlight. So how they dance in the night time, that they have given. But all are mem like that we are getting. So pronounce it somewhat fast. Say it as fast as you can. They have given now. So we should speak it very fast. Many mumbling mice are making merry music in the morning. In the moonlight, in the moonlight. So many mumbling mice are making merry music in the moonlight. Right? So then we can see the fill in the blanks. Yes, see children. So fill in the blanks. So see this. Choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. So here they have given the options. So from that options, which one is suitable, we should choose it. See the first one. We own this car. We own this car. That means this is our own car. So the car is yours or ours? So we own. So then we should write the car is ours. The car is ours. That we should take it. And so next one, the dog belongs to. The dog belongs to her or she, they give. Her or she. What can we write? The dog belongs to she. The dog belongs to her. What can we write? She we should write in the starting of the sentence. But can we write in the object place in the last? No. So then we should take it to her. And see the next third one. Learn to do your work. Learn to do your work yourself. Here they gave yourself and himself. So you are doing your work for yourself or for others? Yourself, right? So learn to do your work yourself. Yourself, right? And see that one. I like to go to dash house. I like to go to dash house. Their house, their house. Their means it's showing some place. Their means belong to someone. So someone's house you are going, or where is that place there you are going? You are going to someone's house, right? So I like to go to their house. I like to go to their house. Next one. I have found a scarf. I found a scarf. Yes, is it you or yours? Is it yours? We ask, right? Is it yours? Right. So, see this? We own this car. The car is ours. The dog belongs to her. Learn to do your work yourself. I like to go to their house. Their, their house. I have found a scarf. Is it yours? Yes, right. So this we can learn how to write the pronouns or reflexive pronouns in the last, right? See children. So in this, it's the time to write. In this only we have another topic, that is choose the correct synonym and fill in the blanks. What is this synonym? You have idea about the synonym? No, you don't know. Yes, I'll tell you. Synonym means meaning. Synonym means meaning. So the same meaning it is giving. So that words they have given, which is suitable in the blanks, that we should write it. What is that? First one, see, start or begin. Yes, I am starting this one, I am beginning this one. Yes, both are right only. Right. Let's start the lesson. Let's begin the lesson. Right. And little, small. Both are same only. Right. A few, some. A few. Few means some. But a few. So some quantity. A few or some. Both are same only. Lots, many. These are lots, many. Lots of people, lots of things. So many things, right? Both are same. Mama, mother. So sometimes we call it mama and sometimes we call it mother. Both are same, right? So in this, one already they have given in these sentences. So for that synonym, so what it is giving the same meaning, that we should fill in this blanks, right? So see the first sentence here. I have lots of books. I have lots of books. Here what is that? Lots. Lots of books. Lots means what can we write? Either lots or many. So here lots of books they have given. So what can we write in this? I have many books, right? So either lots of books we can say, or many books also we can say. I have many books. See the second one. Raja has a few toy cars. What we have? A few. He already a few is there. So Raja has a few toy cars. So a few or we can write, or some also we can write. So a few cars we can write here. Raja has some toy cars. Raja has some toy cars. See this one, next one. Mama reads me a story every day. What is the word? Mama. Mama, instead of that what can we write? Yes, mama is nothing but mother. So, mother reads me a story every day. Mother reads me a story every day. See the next one. The show will begin now. The show will begin now. So, here begin is there. So, for the begin synonym what we have? Begin, start. Begin, start. So, that we should write the show will start now. The show will start now. And this is a little seed. A little we can write it is small. So, this is a small seed. This is a small seed, right? So, both are giving the same name. Those are called synonyms. Here already they used one. That similar word we should write in the blanks. Did you understand? Yes. Let's go to the next topic. Yes, see children. So, here we have write two rhyming words for each of the following. Two rhyming words. Rhyming words means what? Yes, end of each word should give the same sound, right? Already we have done. So now here end of each word should give the same sound. Here some words they have given. For that each we should write two. What are those two? See that. House. House. In the last to get house sound. Like that we should write. Suppose if we take, yes, our lesson, mice, mouse. Right? House, mouse. And rouse. Rouse. Right? House, mouse, rouse. Right? And rise, rose, rise. So here rouse. And sunny. Sunny. What can you write for sunny? Yes, your nickname, Bunny. And you are very funny. Sunny, Bunny, funny. Right? Your nickname is Sunny or Bunny. Is it funny or not? Yes. And thick. Thick. What can we write for the thick? Nick. Pick. Right? Pick up. Right? So thick, nick, pick. And just, must, burst. So see the rhyming words: house, mouse, rouse. Sunny, bunny, funny. Thick, nick, pick. Just, must, burst. Right? So these are the rhyming words. See children, so here your favorite topic. What is that? Project work. It's a time to do. What can you see here? Yes, pictures you can see. Which pictures you can see here? Can you remember that? Yes, you love to watch this. What is this? Tom and Jerry. Right? Yes. So observe the above pictures. What is happening? Think and write. Take the help of your parents or friends or teachers. So take the help of your parents especially, and you write, see the pictures and write a few lines about these pictures. So all of you saw this one, Tom and Jerry, how they are always each other. So already you know means easily you can write a few lines on this. This is your project work from this poem. Right? I hope you enjoyed this poem very well. Right? Yes, did you enjoy? Very good. Thank you.